Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look at the dollar versus Canada. Yesterday, I posted on Forex Live how the pair has been confined into this range here. This range has a low around the 135 level and a high around the 138.54 level. And at the time, yesterday, we were below these moving average, or at least the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart here. And the price was moving higher after the FOMC decision and basically the press conference from Chair Powell, which sent the price out to the upside. And trading here today, we've seen extension to the upside that saw the price first waffle around the 100-hour moving average. That's the blue line in this chart. You see the up and down action here, and then eventually moving back to the upside. And we moved up into this topside swing area. The topside swing area was defined by swing highs, swing highs, swing highs, swing highs, swing highs. Break above it, fail, break above it, reestablish, swing high, swing high, swing high, swing high. You get the point. A number of different arrows there pushing the ceiling up there. Break above the ceiling a couple times, but fail above that level. On the downside, we have a bunch of swing lows through here where the price also did the equivalent of on the top side, including last week's trading and earlier this week, where the price came down toward that low area here. If we had extended the range for the upside to this point right here, it'd be into that area, and we saw the market rotate to the upside. This is the what happened off of the the initial statement from the Federal Reserve, where the price we saw the dollar move lower, and we saw the dollar versus Canada move lower as well before rotating and surging to the upside. So it's been very confined here for the dollar versus Canada, and that has been controlling the trading until it doesn't control the trading. Okay. At some point, there is going to be a break to the upside that's going to take the price above this swing area and perhaps go toward our old highs for the year, or we're going to see a failure back down to the 100-bar moving average through the 100 to the 200, and then start to move back down toward our low area and look for a break outside of that area. So it's one or the other, but what we know right now and what we've known over the last, well, going back to the end of September, is that the price is confined into a range. That range is mostly between these levels, not the other one. These levels with the a break above the 138.54 level is going to be signal to the more upside here. So what do we do as a trader now with markets come off of this level and started to move to the downside? And what we can hope for, or what buyers are certainly hoping for, and what people who are hoping for a break outside of a range would be that the price moves down to test the 100-bar moving average of 136.96. We're currently trading at 137.25, so we're about 30 pips away from that level, but a rotation down toward that level, then have risk-defining traders, maybe stick a buy-in here with maybe a stop below the 200, or even a stop into the yellow area here, and then have the rotation back to the upside. That's a low-risk trading opportunity that traders who are risk-defining look for risk-defining levels can lean against these levels, because we know that if the price is going to break to the upside, if the buyers are going to take control, we need to stay above the 100-bar moving average on this 4-hour chart. We can't really go below it, and we certainly can't go below the 200-bar moving average either. So those are the levels that we have to focus on as traders and look for the bounce off of that level. If you're dollar bullish, if you're hoping for the dollar to continue to smooth to the upside, maybe the Canada dollar moving to the downside. So that's the trade here. That's what the trade setup is. That's what we have to look forward to as a trader and anticipate, and use our levels as risk-defining levels and bias-defining levels, and use those levels to get in our trades at good trade locations, hope for the break at some point or another. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.